Hold on, I'm trying to put some gloves on. It's getting cold. Matcha ice cream. Japan matcha crepes. Alright guys, this is a virtual walking tour here in Asakusa. We're at Hoppy Street at the moment. Look at the trending matcha cone ice creams. Looks good. That line is crazy. We're also right near Hozomon Gate in Asakusa. We're gonna walk down this way, go to Nakamise Dori, which you saw earlier. Some daigasus over here. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it roll. I don't know if I'm talking, but enjoy the sights of Tokyo at the moment. Matcha bowl, matcha tea grade cream mochis, cream puffs and cream mochis over here. We're gonna walk to Skytree. Go check out Skytree. Five-story pagoda. Oh yeah. These are the street foods that we ate at earlier here in Asakusa. Also look at the autumn foliage of the trees. The red, the yellow, the brown. And over here is nice because you can smell and see all the street foods that they have. Look at this. This one's good. There's like cabbage and pork, and there's like pancake and chicken. My gloves suck right now. What the hell? That is really good. Hey, there's Tokyo Channel View. I met that guy. I saw that guy last time. That's cool. I was in his live stream the other time too. Tokyo Channel Town vlog guy. Yep. It's nice always meeting that guy. Or seeing that guy. It's the second encounter with that guy. He's a virtual walking guy that does videos. Pretty cool. Oh, maybe that's filter. This is Central Z Temple on my left. Central G is busy. What else gonna go there? We got a long walk. Long walk. Look at those big Zoris. Big slippers. These are made for the gods out of straws. This is the new one. They recently replaced this, I believe. 5-story pagoda over there. And Hosomon Gate. There's also gonna be a festival, I believe, next week Wednesday in this whole area. So if you're here in Tokyo, Japan, come check out Asakusa's Kaminarimon area on, I think, the 17th or 18th. There's gonna be a festival.
Is there other way of going to where we go?
We're gonna walk that way. Yeah, we can walk that way, but you're going to the story, right?
Yeah, you guys can just walk in here.
No, we're gonna walk that way and then we'll cut through this thing. There's a lot of ways here, don't worry. Yeah, looking busy. You know, out of all the times I've come to Asakusa, I've never actually took the time to check out this side. It's like a temple, I believe. I don't know. I forgot what it was. But they have really nice paintings. At the entrance? We are now at Nakamise Dori, shopping street. Very famous for the souvenirs. You guys making those red bean paste pancake stuff. And then over here on the right side, you would take to go to Hoppy. Hoppy Street would be on this side right here. A little cool shortcut, which we should have taken earlier. But yeah, that's crazy. Ice cream at this weather. The weather is really cold right now. I did a live stream earlier of this street, but we ended I think around over here. So this is probably just another continuation of it, but at a later time. Right now it's 2 p.m. but it feels like it's maybe like 6. And also by 5 this place is gonna get real dark. Nice view of the sky tree. We're gonna actually head over there in a bit. I'm not sure, maybe I'll try. Look at this guy's dessert. Looks cool. Well, yeah, maybe we'll try just keeping this live stream going until we go to live Skytree. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Hoppy Street right behind me. And yeah, some cool sights of Asakusa with tons of tourists. Can't stress. A lot of Korean, Chinese, and Malaysian, and as well as Filipinos are visiting this time for their Christmas trips, I would say. The cool thing about live streaming at this weather is my phone won't overheat, the battery lasts a little bit longer, and not much people are trying to come out at this time. But yeah, these are the sights of Nakamise Dori here in Asakusa, Taito City, Tokyo, Japan. This trip was really not like a vlogging whatever trip, filming trip, so there is not going to be any vlogs, I believe. It's just me enjoying, but this live stream is just me just living the passion. Not trying to film and vlogs, but just live streaming. Also, one of my favorite things to do in Japan and Tokyo now is actually live stream, because it feels better to just live stream than just vlogging. Let's continue on and check out the sights of Nakamise Dori. Yeah. Oh, there's wind charms. Look at a dog. Very hairy dog. So for those just joining, we're here at Nakamise Dori, checking out the sights, giving you a virtual live stream of Asakusa's Tensoji Temple, Kaminarimon, and more. Let's go check it out. Tokyo Revengers. Looks like. This one's tempura manju. That's cool. Mochi daifuku. Not bad. Yeah, that looks good. Onigiri. Ooh. We're almost done with our live stream today, guys. We'll end it right over there. Hear all those Chinese dialects. All right, Sensoji, Nakamise Dori, Hozomon, and now Kaminarimon. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the live stream here. Peace. My name's Mark. I'm out.
No prime, bro. There's no way I can hit it.